morning. I am Gino Renz Perez from Group 2 and I will be presenting the violation, probably penalties, effect on stakeholder, cause and solution for the said issues and violation of the suspect from the news article. The article is the PCG NABS 4 for illegal fishing in Romblon by GMA Integrated News. So, according to the statement, the Coast Guard conducted an operation in Barangay Cambalo, Romblon after receiving reports of illegal fishing activities. So the suspects were caught using an unauthorized breeding apparatus and other illegal fishing gear. So the, the violations first is Section 89 unreported fishing. The violators mentioned in the news did not report the catch or fishing activity of catching 30 kilograms of assorted fish. Nakatulay ra dayon ang dakop ngan waray report sa authorities kung ano man ang nakatch. Another violation based on the news report is Section 121, use of an unlicensed gear. The violators in the news were caught using an authorized breathing apparatus. Dire rehistrado ang mga ginagamit pandakop nga nanhaiba nga lugar. Hindi diri gudit paggamitin ang authorized breathing apparatus sugad ang compressor asya nalabag ini nga seksyon. Section 102, fishing or taking of rare, threatened, and endangered species. While the news report did not mention rare, threatened, or endangered species, the phrase assorted fish implies a mix of species. Ini nga iba-iba nga klase ng isda may da good possibility nga may daupod nga mga endangered. Especially waray ka-report nga illegal ang pagcatch. Kung kulang in proper nga documentation nga control, ang matatabo bisan ano light era pantakpon basta maupay panbaligya bisan bawal ngayon. Next is Section 95, use of active gear in municipal water, bays, and other fishery management area. The use of spears and unauthorized breathing apparatus for fishing under municipal waters can be considered active gear, which can be a violation. There's a pursuit to the target species asya na consider nga active gear. Damo pagod ang nakuha gamit ini nga gear sa municipal water sa Romblon bisan diri dapat. Section 126, possessing, dealing, or disposing illegally caught or taken fish. The fishermen were caught with 30 kilograms of fish which are caught using illegally methods. Ang pag-possess pa lahan illegally caught fish naka-violate na irahin nga section. Then Section 128, other violation. This is a general provision that covers any other act not specified but still considered illegal. So, there are the penalties. Section 89, 5,000 for municipal fishing provided that the offender fails to pay the fine. He shall render community service. Section 121, 200,000 to 500,000 per gear depending on the seriousness of the violation. Section 102, 5,000. Section 95, 20,000. Section 126, 50,000. Section 128 depends on LGU and based on the impact. Effect on the stakeholder. Loss of catch and income for fisher folk. LGUs and pharmacies are alerted to be more strict in implementation of laws and regulation. Loss of valuable resource leading to lower catch and income for various sectors, ceasing plans for management. Possible cause. Section 89, less strict implementation and registration. Section 121, fees, process of registration, damoit baraydan, halabait process. Section 102, spear fishing is a method employed. It is based on the availability of fish resulting assortment of fish just to convert. Section 95, to increase catch rate and speed of capturing and hauling catch active gear is used by the suspect. Section 126, there is lack of strict enforcement and possessing these fish and dealing them can result to higher income. Section 128, there are different regulation per municipality. This is the possible solution. More focused implementation and enforcement check of gears, free fees for registration day and night, incentives from government to fisher folk. That's all for your listening. Thank you.